As you can see on my screen, here is $11 I got paid to my paper from a free update. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can also get this for free. Alright, so the first thing to do is to download this VPN. I'm going to drop the APK my Telegram channel. Right, I'm going to drop the APK of that VPN on my Telegram channel. So come to the Telegram channel and download the APK. This is it. Download this and install it. So once you have installed it, all you have to do is to open it. All right, then at the top here, this sphere icon, tap on it and select USA on the list. Select United States. All right, so once you've selected United States, come back to this interface and turn on this switch. All right, then the next thing to do is to download the app. So the app you are going to be running the update on. So download the app. If you are using Android, download the app through this link. So if you are using iPhone, download the app through this second link. Right, so I'm going to be doing that right now. All right, so if your own is not showing install, all you have to do is to just tap on back. So this is your profile icon. Tap on it, the profile at the top right corner. Tap on it and it's going to show you this draw down icon. All right, this draw down icon, tap on it and select under Gmail. Once you've selected under Gmail, come back to the Telegram channel, we tap on the link and it's going to take you to the Play Store again. Then you can be able to install now. All right, so install the app. So once the app has installed, tap on it, open the app. All right, allow it to load. Cancel this, then tap on sign up now. So input your email. So if you want to input your email, make sure you are inputting a new email. All right, create a new email for this update, a new email. So I'm going to be putting my email now. All right, then tap on, make sure you tick this, then make sure you tick this referred by a friend. Make sure you tick this, then put the referral code, because this is actually going to be earning you some points initially. So put the referral code. I'm actually going to drop the referral code in the description box below. It's going to be in the description box below or on my Telegram channel. Just copy the referral code and put it here, then you are good to go. Then tap on continue. Just wait patiently, allow it to load. Alright, so they have actually sent a code to your email. Then head over to your email, copy the OTP and paste it there. As you can see here at the top. Alright, this is the code. Copy the code. Alright, then paste it there to continue. Alright, just wait patiently, allow it to load. And before you continue, if this is your first time coming across my videos, my name is Olatek and I create video content on how to make free money online, just like this one you're watching right now. So if you want to be seeing more of these videos, you can consider subscribing this channel, like the video, and you can also share to friends who are interested in making free money online. So once you have created the account successfully, it's going to welcome you with this kind of interface. So, and right here are the tasks that you can actually do to earn more points. As you can see here at the top right corner, you are having 100 points for using my referral code. All right, so these tasks, you have to complete them. They are just simple tasks that you can actually complete. Input your, you can complete them by inputting your real name and all other stuffs that they are asking you. Just put in anything you like, but make sure you input your real info. So complete all these tasks, and you can actually earn more points by completing them. So once you get to 1000 points, then you can withdraw to PayPal or redeem as gift card. So to withdraw, come to this interface, come to wallet. All right, once you come to wallet, as you can see here, you need 1000 points before you can be able to redeem to gift card or withdraw as PayPal fund. All right, so once you get to 1000 points, redeem as Apple gift card. All right, I'm actually going to make another video on how to redeem your Apple gift card, or when you just get to 1000 points, you can withdraw as PayPal. Then I will also make another video on how to how to withdraw from PayPal, or so I'm probably going to make another video on how to redeem gift cards, or how to create a PayPal that you can actually receive and send out funds. So, but once you get to 1000 points, you can either redeem as gift card, okay, or withdraw as PayPal. For those of you that have PayPal already, so this is actually going to be simple for you. Once you get to 1000 points, just withdraw to your PayPal, and you can sell that for cash. All right, so I don't think there's much about this. Yeah, just complete all the tasks, come to the home interface and complete all these tasks to earn more points. So I think that's all for now. All right.